You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from Hawaiian. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, expressions, names from Hawaii, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos. It means a small thing, literally, or it's not a big deal. Also can be used to say you're welcome. He mea iki. He mea iki. He mea iki. It's just a small thing. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.